Wow, AC. Is this new? We will open this one. Okay. Let's show them how to open this one. This is a JBL microphone. Open, let's open.
JBL.
Yes, JBL. This one.
It looks like JBL.
Wow. So we have our new microphone. Wow. Help me open. Let's open. Let's open it. Let's open it. Wow. The packaging is very good. Okay.
Why did you keep on ordering?
Why I kept on ordering? This is a new one.
Why did you keep on ordering?
Yeah.
Because you want to unbox?
Yes, that's
What?
new microphone
Why
so
is
that
there
we can have a.
Why is there a lot of wrappers?
Yeah. Because this is wow. Wow. Let's open it.
Yeah. I'll
Yeah.
show you if you want to paint it.
Yeah, this is the JBL microphone. Open this one. Here. How to open this one? Here. Here.
Here.
Parang ayaw pa bukas. Wow. Oh, show to them. Show to them. Let's remove this. Remove this one. Show to them. Like it. Yeah. And we will try this one. So, two microphone. Look at the camera. This is the two microphone. Can you hold it for me? Okay. Yes, and then this is the connector. Can you show them that this is the connector to the speaker. And then what's this? The user manual. See?
I think this is also the instructions.
Yes, that's tell them that is the tell the camera that is the AC. Tell them that is the instruction. How to use it, okay? Okay, we will try to open this. Oh, open. Turn on. This one. Whoa. Okay, and then we'll try to quick start. Turn on. Let's turn on. Hold this one, easy, turn on. Battery operated. This battery operated.
There's no battery.
Yeah.
That's why.
We have battery. We will get the battery first. Look.
Let's get the...
You will get the battery? There's the battery in the back. Can you get it? Can you help me, please? There. There's a new battery. No, new battery. The new battery. We have new battery. Shoot to them. We have new battery.
We have new battery, but some of them ran out.
Some of them run out because we already use it, okay? But we still have 4 new batteries.
4 new batteries?
Yeah, that's the 4 new batteries, right? Can you help me open this one?
Okay.
Can you help me? Thank you. And then you put the battery.
We only need 1 battery.
I think it's 2. Wait.
I think
Double
1.
A. 1, 2.
2. It's
And?
2.
Okay. Then, turn on. Turn on. It's on. Oh, show to them that it is on. Show to them. Show the camera. Oh, that's on. And now how about the other one? Okay, you put the other this side and this one. Yeah, open it. Show to them how to open. Yeah, very good. And then how to put the battery? Yeah, like that. 1 and 2. Oh, oh, like that. 2, and then okay, and then this GBL needs to be like that, straight, and then and how to turn on? Turn on. Oh, show to them. That's on already. Show to them. Okay, this one. That's on. Not yet. We need to put this one on the.
Wait.
Yeah,
Wait.
yeah,
I'll show
yeah.
you. Wait. There's something.
Yeah. So this is not the one that we should use. Other one? Yeah. Excuse me. We'll use this bigger one. We'll use the bigger one. Easy.
GBL.
GB. Here. Can you send me the controller? Easy.
Wait.
Hey, this one. Can you
Control.
please? Yeah.
Is it
The connector. That one. Yeah, that one. Thank you. Help me. Here. This side. Let's put. Here, you turn this side. Turn this side. Yeah. Oh. Here, this side. This side. Here. Can you put it? Well, look. Like that. You put it. Slowly. Wow. And can you reach the... We will try. Hello? Oh, it's turned off.
Wait.
Yeah.
Hello.
Not yet? Hello. How's the setup? It is already on. Again.
Wait, is this not yet?
Ang dami nga nito. Cha-chang.
Stop. Daddy.
Cut mo na, pre. Tutuloy.